Tini just thasingo kaisang video nugu blai ke wanaka te khakham ka haise Honorable Chief Minister ni kaisa statement nukha ajagao bo sanani chaito khaje tangi norok অর্থাৎ যে তিপ্রাসারো রোমান স্ক্রিপ্ট নতুই আছে খাসিক লাইতং রোমান স্ক্রিপ্ট নতুই চিরি খকলাইতং রোমান স্ক্রিপ্ট নতুই দিমান খাইতং দেবনাগরি স্ক্রিপ্ট নতুই নরক টাঙ্গই মুসুং জায়গা বা বাংলা স্ক্রিপ্ট নতুই টাঙ্গই নরক আসক মুসুং জায়গা বিনি স্টেটমেন্ট নি যে মিনিং তাই বব সানা নাইখ্যা রোমান স্ক্রিপ্ট ন যে অবংখা ইংলিশ ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ ফরেন ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ অবহাই স্ক্রিপ্ট ন খ্লায়াকারে দেবনাগরি স্ক্রিপ্ট খাইনানি বাগৈ বস হাকা যেহেতু হিন্দি কক সাইতং जों দেবনাগরি স্ক্রিপ্ট ন जों খ্লাইথাই তিনি হাইনো হাই আং অনারেবল চিফ মিনিস্টার্স ন তিনি সানানি মুসুং হাইসি There are altogether almost more than 30 tribes 3-star tribe ni saipano BC northeastern region India wo Roman script by Cox Hawaii Tongo. Boni basano Roman script by Sei Tongo. Aboni ka kuno problem kri. Nang sanan thangang ka Meghalaya wo. Khasi Hills Jaintia Hills Roman script by Sijaki Tongo boni language no tui. Mizoram sini Mizoro Lusai ro. Boro Roman script use khayo. Bongni language no sinani bagay. Nagaland no NDPP by BJP government chalogui tong haise alliance so. Aro Roman script ni kunu proti mane Roman script no badar mane kunu nukjagya. Aro angami sanai bosongrok nini sumi sanai bosongrok nini lotha sanai bosongrok nini tangkhul sanai bosongrok. Borok boto Roman script by seitongo. Manipur ni kok sajau ka nini kuki rok nini paite rok nini thadau rok borok boto Roman script by kok saitongo nini Assam ni kok sana thangkai nini Karbi rok Dimasa rok Bodu rok borok boto Roman script by saitongo Assam ni kok saitongo Arunachal Pradesh thangka angka haino hai arabo adi borok Roman script by saiyo nini Galu borok Roman script by saiyo Apatani borok Roman script by saiyo Why only in Tripura haisi Asamoto BJP government chalo goi tong tong alliance so NDA ni alliance government Arunachal Pradesh neda ro borok boto alliance ni chalo goi tong tong aro to Roman script ni kuno badda kri nini Nagaland no NDPP by BJP government chalo goi tong aro Roman script ni kuno badda kri Manipur agi BJP alliance government chalo goi tong aro Roman script ni kuno badda kri Meghalaya State NPP National People Party by BJP Alliance Government Salok Tongo Khasita Jaintia Stock but Roman script ni kuno problem kri. Then why only in Tripura? Tini sing barbar sai tongo 1971 je tini Bangladesh Katal Des Klaizak mani pishone tamo Urdu language no forcefully impose Klaizak kha Bangla sane borok ni saka wo Last digi Basa আন্দোলন বড় খাইকা মুক্তিযুদ্ধ আন্দোলন খাইকা ফলে পাকিস্তান যে তংমানি দুই টুকরাং বাক ngei তিনি বাংলাদেশ কাইসাংখা পাকিস্তান কাইসাংখা বরন সিমি স্টার্টিংখা বাসানি থেকে তিনি এই বাসানি বাগে দুইটা বাক তিনি দেশ আমার পর্যন্ত নুগুইত প্রবলেম তামো Singki kebani rights no segnani thangi tong India kaisa diverse country diversity hinjago India wo nini oro binno bororok pray 200 plus jati rok o jagao tongoi tong haisi jani sinimung baksa ba Tamil baksa Punjab baksa Gujarati baksa Bihari ha Baksa Arunachali, Baksa Marathi, Baksa Telugu, aba haike bangma borok jani sinimung by sinizagi tong o diverse country wo tangai ase forcefully impose kaina na kya kaisa jati ni sakawo sini sentiment no tang buzine na yang kha ha ki bangla script by sini bhasha no sini language no pronunciation je uchcharon tongmani accurate ke khlai jaman mania then why you are imposing forcefully to the Devanagari script? Why you want to impose forcefully to Bangla script? Bangla script by kiseng keteng tui musa abrong kiseng sejaman seimania maneno seng compromise ma khaisinai compromise khaike maneno sini basano seng tai next 10-20 years so kaino je bini asol uchcharon kamawoi pogoi thangsene basani kuno ekta existence tongla khaisi sini ki honorable mukhyamantri obada nai tini bo sanani chaitokha bo institution ni obo demand sanjagi tongne tar mane directly Christians no indirectly Christian no target khaikena ble ki Nagaland okok saide mano ki Meghalaya okok saide mano ki Manipur okok saide mano Arunachal Pradesh ki okok saide mano Assam ki okok da sai mano why only in Tripura and taiba achorjo nau haise taiba achorjo nau je borok nijini dofano kangka broiler tok kai ke chi khagai sibnani ni sao boiler khukte ke khugui sibnani ni sao ei borok tini chup honorable CM kok samani pore tini chup ekta kok saragi haise why Roman script ki sudu tipramothani je supporters rok simid sine why they are silent today tini honorable former MP barbar sao Maharashtra ni upor attack khayu Maharashtra family ni upor attack khayu tini nijini amani kok borok ni against saoi tongo honorable chief ministers ha basano totally impose khaine nai tongo forcefully why they are silent tangi borok silent haise tini honorable general secretary of the state often I used to hear sabka sat sabka vikas. The prime minister also often says sabka sat sabka vikas. Is this the mantra of sabka sat sabka vikas? We are not having our options. We can't adopt the script that we wish to. Is this the mantra of sabka sat sabka vikas? When other state citizens are having the rights to choose whatever script they wish to. Why only for Tiprasa it is not? Why only for Tiprasa they are trying to impose forcefully? Tini sungmung paike haisi. Greater Tiprale ni kok sakangge sunu kebengo. Statehood ni kok sakangge sunu kebengo. Additional strength and kainen hinge sunu kebengo. Roman script ni kok sakangge sunu kebengo. 125th Amendment Bill ni kok sakangge sunu kebengo. Land rights ni kok sakangge sunu kebengo. Political rights ni kok sakangge sunu kebengo. What? Then tamono ranan musongba. Huh? Every jaga se kebeng tongble. Land rights tini edisi ni yago kre. Hani busani thani land rights kre tini. Nini jaga 100 বছর tongmani 200 বছর tongmani nini dadu nini great grandfather sok tong phaimani jaga no tini sabo decide khai DM decide khaisinai ab ki nini da nini ya sarkar decide khaisinai but I hani busa I hani o hani je tongui tangnai om thai klaine borok khai to decide khaisi malia sinia ko power sira jagya othoso BJP, Congress, CPM ni chiri khoklai tong sung land rights ni kai ekta kok phana saiman ya haisi sudu tiprasa broiler to khaike khugna po okok to saiman ya tini land rights ni suno ruza ke haise Roman script ni tini open stage o tini kok saitong Roman script no tangi khasi kai tong ne are যে কোনো আং থাসিংও সাকা তিনি মেঘালয়ও তিনি খাসি হিল জাইন্তে হিল রোমান স্ক্রিপ্ট সিতঙ্গো NPP by BJP government share ro chalogui tong haise govern khaitong they can write Roman script boni language no Mizoram nini mizu nini lusai ro Roman script by si tongmano haise boni basano Tini Nagaland no tam tong angami borok bobongni basano sinyani bagi Roman script use kayo sumi bongni basano sinyani bagi Roman script use kayo lotha bong basano sinyani bagi Roman script use kayo tangkul borok Roman script use kayo bong basano sinyani bagi Manipuro bong nang nai diba kuki tongo paiti tongo thadau tongo borok Roman script use kayo tongo bongni basano sinyani bagi nini asamo nai di karbi nini dimasa nini bodu Roman script use kayo tongo bong basano sinyani Arunachal Pradesh tam neda government chalagui tong BJP government Assam chalagui tong ha arabo to adi borok Roman script sitong galu borok Roman script sitong apatani borok Roman script sitong waisi tini if Arunachal Pradesh is governed by the BJP yet many tribal languages there are written in Roman script without any problem in Assam is governed by the BJP yet many tribal languages there are written in Roman script without any problem. Even in the case of Meghalaya, is also governed by the NPP and BJP government. Yet many tribal languages there are written in the Roman script without any problem. Even in Nagaland, NDPP and BJP are governing the state government. Yet many tribal languages there also written in Roman script without any problem. I want to ask the questions to the Honorable Chief Ministers. Why only in Tripura there is problem? Tai ang sengnani musung haise sini jono jati klai kotor bason ri tongnai rokno. Tini overhigh statement rizangmani pore poda norok tipra sani side do kok saya karei. Tipra sani next generations no banchiria karei. Still you will choose just for your positions. Nung sacrifice kainai. Nung compromise kainai. Tamo no job bernai norok nong ni no khung no. Tamo job bernai nong ni besabati rok na haisi. Tamo job bernai norok nong ni next generations no. When we require the most, today you are silent. Just because you love your position, you fear that your positions will be lost. That's why you kept silent today. But my dear ministers, my dear General Secretary, my dear former MP, and some other great leaders from BJP who call themselves tribal leaders, if you keep silence today, the next generations of our people, kumanai haisi, the next generations of our people, tini sung sini right step sekjang haisi. একটা রাইটস ni bagi noro kok sanani noni shakti kare ekta rights ni bagi kok sanan bagi noro himmat kare haisi land rights ni ti kok sanan bagi noro himmat kare paro thangi noro tam no speech ri omok renai rang renai this renai that renai but land rights kare ke next generations ki noro thangi de mano tini 10,492 square kilometers state 40 lakh ni sai bisi population singi tongkha day by day sini joto land rights tok sekjagi tongi tongkhai si reserve je maharaja khlai klangmani maharaja bir bikram kishore manik kya sini his highness maharaj khai klangmani tini di reserve khlai jagi tongkhai si forest lands namjagi sini rights sekjagi tongkhai si yet you keep silent always just because you fear that you will lose your position tangai sini joto right tini kare haisi tangai why you kept silent 1953 to 1957 I keep on repeating this word haisi a time of almost 5 lakhs refugee no Govind Balapan the former home ministers of India borok no tlang nani bagi kok samani that time also siniti prasarok no influence khayai basa wai tini bidesi rokno hama bakna ni sane tini naragi sibka abo ki mistake yare history tini muitumano haisi Jalian wala bag 1919 no Indian rock Ingres rock ni yakung slagai sini Indian rock no kogui bathar ka haisi sabo first shoot khai Indian rock sabo no khai Indian no kogo haisi 30 January 1948. Sini father of the nations, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi no sabo suit khai, Indian sabo, Natharam Binaya Gatse suit khai, tini bethar kaisi. Tini tiprasani rights no sabo kasuitong. Bunyi borok to kasuno, tai borok no taibu panri tongo, sini aze neta hanjak nero. Borok no taibu panri tongo, sini leaders hanjak nero. Because seat borok nango, borok positions nango, bongni boss no impress klanya bagai, tiprasarok ni generation no tani bethar ship di haisi. Amo sible intention tini. Hazar borok ni sentiment, lakh borok ni. 99% of our people are demanding for Roman script, yet someone from some communities, just because he sits in the top positions, trying to impose other script that we don't wish to adopt. Why is it so? Tangai. Tini TSF rock obunuti andolon khaitongo. Boroki boni TSF ni students rock ni bagi simida. They fight for every people, every citizens of our Tipra Saisi. Tipra Mothani wings nini TISF, YTF, Tipra Motha, and TWF. They are fighting for the Roman script. Is this for ourselves? No. This is for the generations of our people. But the one who always give big speeches in the big stages, so-called Janajati leaders, they keep always silent, I say. Tangai? Norok, sini tiprasano greater tipraland sanmani prosno khaimano. Sini tiprasano land right sanmani prosno khaimano. Norok sini tiprasano norok political right sanmani prosno khaimano. Tripartite accord sanmani sign khaimani prosno khaimano. Kintu Roman script ni bagai sini honorable CM kok samani respected CM kok samani norok prosno khaire gya. Land rights no kasi tomani norok prosno khaire gya. Political rights no kasi tomani norok prosno khaire gya. 125th amendment bill tabubo implementing ke abon norok prosno khaire gya. Tripartite accord tabubo implementing ke norok prosno khaire gya. Norok ni himmat norok ni fan suruti prasano prosno khaine ni da. Ha? Sakangkai chaje gya. Rang ni dapot funugui para wa habai rang renai wag renai tok renai abu bai the nation mutangjang nai dofam mutangjang nai abu bai ha tini thousands and thousands students Roman script by mass ni fail nani bai dongui tongo. Who are the responsible for their future? Bo future ni sab responsibility na nai. Tini okok sakangkai James Debbarma ugrobad kok sao James Debbarma tini उत्तेजना का स्पीच रूनी साजाउने हाइसे but abu kubuyada is not that true. Wake up, my dear Tiprasa, wake up. We are not here to take away the rights of other community, but we are here to demand our rights. We are here to demand our futures, and these rights no one should take away from us. And if it is so, then I say here, if it is so, then in the days to come, we will come up with the most sung intensify kai sung obonoti uttejana kai andolon khaina ni nangnai haisi. Obu kunu political party ni demand ya. The Roman script is a sentiment of our people. Roman script is a sentiment of every single Tipras, I say. Land rights is a sentiment of every single Tipras, I say. It is not a demand of Tipra Motha political party. Tini mas how I say. Tini silent. Silent. How many of your leaders spoke against the statement of our honorable CM? Sini Riang Bro Rokno. Bangladesh ni ini saka. Ekta BJP ni leaders kok saragya. Why? একটা বিজেপি লিডার্স কক সারে গিয়া ওয়াই IPF তিনো পর্যন্ত উগ্রবাদী পার্টি নেই কাবলে হ্যাঁ একটা বিজেপি লিডার্স কক সারে গিয়া but the moment Maharaj land rights in কক saka no it is not possible borok phaine the moment Maharaj talks about Roman script no borok phaine the moment Maharaj talks about greater Tripura land no borok phaine why Noroki Tiprasani leaders Tiprasani rights no kasuna bagi dangi tong huh Noroki Tiprasani leaders Tiprasani next generation no sokormane bagi de norok salary nai tong am bagi de norok poda asuk tong haisi tini sungnani bata dukhu nang haisi blaike dukhu nang 99% ni sentiment tini basa wish hawo tangin Roman script san ne I don't think it is fair. My dear Honorable Chief Minister, I don't think so. Your statement is fair enough to our people. You didn't understand the feelings, you didn't understand the sentiment, you didn't understand the emotions that we are connected with Roman script. The pronunciations of our language is accurate with the Roman script. Tangai obono bujina na yahise. Don't try to impose forcefully on us against our will. And we have seen when the Urdu language was imposed forcefully in East Pakistan against those people whose mother tongue was Bengali. At last what happened? It ultimately led to the creation of new country Bangladesh. The history once again clearly teaches us the lessons. Do not impose any language. Do not impose any script on people against their will. Otherwise, like Bangladesh, again here in Tripura also the greater Tripura land will be created very soon. I'm saying this word again and again. Yes, will be bound. If in Mizoram, Mizo people can write Roman script, if in Meghalaya, Khasis and Giantess people can write Roman script, if in Nagaland, Angami, Sumi, Lotha, Tangkhul can write Roman script, if in Manipur, Kuki, Paite, Thadao can write Roman script, if in Assam, Karbi, Dimasa, Bodo can write Roman script, if in Arunachal Pradesh, Adi, Galo, Apatani can write Roman script, why only Tiprasa can't write Roman script? Why only Tiprasas are being taken their rights? I think the high time came for every Tiprasa to understand who are opposing our rights. Tini clearly sanana yahaisi. Tripartite accord leri tongmani singno sini Maharashtra sini Tipramota ni leaders sokno dusru blame ru norok tini nukhana sabuka suitong. Land rights nuti sing tripartite accord sign claimani tini lermani bagi singno dusiru norok nukhana sabuka suitong. Political rights no norok nukhana sabuka suitong. Edisini funding, direct funding no sabuka suitong norok nukhana. Tini buda norok no tebu clearly kaise ke sananang no. And saimantatinyo azagaw asugui kabagay tongo. Saimantatinyo asugui kabagay tongo. Post position ni bagay haisi. Next generation rong no prosno kanyay. 1953 by 1957 no jefru ungfru Bangladeshi rokno Bidesi rokno hamabak na hinarak mani. Tinini 2025 sung hai youth rock questions kaitong boroni mistake no. Tini say BJPO asuk tongnai khoroksa janojati neta rokno busung prosno khaine next generations rock. When His Highness Maharaj along with the team of TSF and TISF fought for the rights of Roman script, why you people were silent at that time? The next generations will come and ask these very questions to you guys, I say. That time I know that you will have no words to speak. You will be speechless that time, I say. Tino all prosno sugzana, I say. Ang tay bisikok sanan musung liya. Norok jotono saimano. Ang koinay. Norok tabuk jotono dud ka dud, pani ka pani inka. Norok clear ke nukha, sabsini land rights no ka suitong, sabsini Roman script no ka suitong, sabsini political rights no ka suitong, sabsini tripartite accord no ka suitong, sabsini greater Tipralian demand no ka suitong, sabsini jotto rights no ka suitong. You all have since now, and I don't have any other words to make you guys clear. You have already understood who are all that stopping to get our rights, I say. And borok no sabolo giri tong apo norok saiman ka haise. Tiprasano ka broiler to khai khuk nai. And tiprasani dabino ka su thani ka norok borok no logire nai. Prosno sungjang nai haise next generation sok bai. Blai ke hambai, joy tiprasa, joy sini Roman script, joy greater Tipraland, joy land rights, joy political rights haise. Blai no hambai.